Thank you for coming to the Metal Monkeez channel. Here's some of our previous event. This venue was held in Las Vegas at the Sahara Hotel for the gun show. And this is an array of everything we've done so far. You got stuff from ranches, you got stuff from sports, you got bottle openers, you got Second Amendment rights, hunters. Here's a little walkthrough. It's gonna go kind of fast, so take it all in if you can. And there is some stuff we couldn't all fit in there, but tiki bar, baseball bats, razors, sports teams, bottle openers. These are all of our bottle openers. Can't go wrong. Outer space things, Statue of Liberty, the Second Amendment, gotta love it. We don't call 911. Firemen's specials, gotta love the ranch. I'm your Huckleberry. Dad's garage, Dad's grill, and that's how you contact us.